everyone, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. Today I am finally sharing some new Christmas DIY decor with you. I think these turned out really cute. We are bringing most of these to my parents' house. If you want to see the video decorated over there, I will be posting that soon over on my vlog channel, Rebecca Jean, so stay tuned for that. But for today, let's get started with these Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs.
So for the first one, I am taking a wooden board from Dollar Tree along with one of these wooden little crates, and I'm basically going to glue the wooden board inside on the back on the widest part of the crate, and it fit in here absolutely perfect. So this is going to just create a unique little piece of Christmas decor. Now you can paint it over however you like. I just decided to actually spray paint mine. And once that was dry, I wanted to add a little sign on here, and I simply used a little piece of just regular old copy paper, whatever you have on hand, and a Sharpie marker, and I spelled out, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." I ended up just using a little dab of hot glue, and that kept the piece of paper in place. And then I used a little bit of puffy fabric paint at the top just to kind of look like it was the nail head attaching the sign. And I like how that turned out. I think it looks really cute like that. I did decide that I wanted to dress this up a little bit more. Added a bow, and then I also used some red and some kind of glittery white puffy fabric paint. And I went around, I just did like dots around the whole outside edge of that board that's standing up in the back. It's kind of a cute design, almost reminds me of like Christmas lights. And then the last thing to do is add in the greenery of your choice or whatever Christmas florals you want to fill this little basket with. I think this turned out super cute, and I love this frosted greenery from Dollar Tree. I think this will be perfect for any kind of rustic, cabin, country Christmas decor. It's going to go perfect in my parents' house for sure. So moving on for the next one, I have an ornament here. Now I love these really large jumbo plastic ornaments. I think this is the first year I've seen these in Dollar Tree because they always had the ones that you got a pack of 2, and then they had the one single one that was larger. But honestly, this one is really super jumbo. It's larger than their large one, so really cool. And the opening was just barely wide enough for me to stick some glittery sparkly gold ferns and florals down inside, and decided to stick some red berries down in there. And like I said, the opening was just wide enough that I could very carefully smush the little red foam berries and get the entire bunch down inside the ornament. Your ornament actually looks decorated with all these little flecks of sparkly gold, like kind of all over the inside, and it's actually really cool. Like it kind of really looks like it's supposed to be that way, and I love how it looks. So yeah, bonus, the messiness turned into something that looks really cool and custom. And then of course I added a bow at the top. Let me know, do you guys think that plaid is in this year or not? Moving on for the next one, I found this little lantern in Dollar Tree, and I just immediately knew I'm making an ornament out of it. I would imagine that's what most people are doing. I don't know. It's just gonna be the cutest little ornament. So painted the lantern and going to simply add a nice little burlap bow at the top. On top of that, I decided to add one of these little red and black buffalo check bows just to kind of get the layered effect for my bow. And then it couldn't feel complete unless I added some greenery. So just grabbed some extra little sprigs of the Dollar Tree greenery and florals, added that in the top, and this is really super cute. And I think it'll be adorable in my parents' Christmas tree. For the next one, I found this adorable little ceramic deer, and as soon as I saw this, I just immediately knew that it needed some Christmas florals or some winter florals, and that this was the perfect little thing for some Christmas decor to either put on like a tiered tray or maybe add to another collection in your entryway or maybe in your bathroom, somewhere you have a little shelf that you just want to add some cute festive decor. And it would definitely go perfect with country or cabin, rustic Christmas decor. The little deer is just super adorable. And if you wanted to, you can swap out the floral seasonally. I think it's extra cute for fall and Christmas though. For the next one, I had this round wooden block. It is from Dollar Tree, and I thought it would make a really cute ornament. I at first couldn't quite decide what I wanted to do, but I had some of this red pom-pom ribbon, and I decided to glue it around the outside edge of this ornament, and I thought that just made it look really kind of fun and cute. And then I just wrote Merry Christmas on there, added some dots around the outside edge. You'll see in just a minute because I did that last at the end. Add a little bow at the top with some ribbon, add some greenery, even add in some of those little glittery foam berries off some of the branches from Dollar Tree. Just super cute and fun and easy to decorate. You could put your favorite verse on here. For the next one, I saw these black and white buffalo check pattern. I don't know what these are supposed to be. I think they're supposed to be like pencil and pen holders. They were in the office supply section, but I actually thought that they would be super cute to hot glue end to end to each other. And the easiest way I found to do that was adding some little like wooden Jenga blocks or something in between, just so it kind of gave something to glue them both to, because just along the edge it wasn't quite enough glue, they wouldn't stay together. So gluing something in between there in the middle, just so I can kind of glue them back to back up against each other. And it created this longer centerpiece that I could then fill in with florals. And I just wanted to add a variety of Christmas florals and Christmas floral picks and all that in here, and pine or greenery, whatever you're into. I also added a little bow on the front, but totally custom and easy to coordinate with your decor. I think this looks really great on a shelf. I was kind of thinking kind of like on the window ledge up above the kitchen sink or something like that, or maybe even on a hutch or like a china cabinet. Just a really cute country Christmas home decor piece. Now let's go ahead and move on. I have an adorable little snowman. I saw this snowman ornament and I was thinking that kind of the little plaid hat was super cute, and I wanted to make him a little bit more unique and custom. So I used some scissors and the styrofoam. The snowman's head is styrofoam, so it was easy to kind of make a little hole in the bottom of that so that I could take this other ornament. I took a white ornament from Dollar Tree and just made a hole large enough underneath the snowman's head that I could pop the top of that ornament right up in there with some hot glue, and it is very well attached and sturdy. And then I added some little red buttons with my puffy fabric paint, and of course took some extra ribbon for the scarf, along with some extra little gold branches from some Christmas floral picks that I had laying around, and we just basically made some little arms for our snowman. And this is just so fun, so cute, so adorable. I always have fun creating cute little Christmas pieces like this one. Now let's go ahead. I have another really simple little ornament, taking this little metal ornament, and you get one of these little metal tags. I think they came 4 in a pack, and I'm taking one of them right now along with a little wooden letter. I decided to do a J for Jesus and just add some puffy fabric paint on the front. The color of this reminds me of like a cookie, like a cinnamon frosting. I don't know, maybe I'm just hungry, but that's what the J looks like to me. And I simply added a little bow up at the top and a couple little sprigs of greenery. And this is just a fun, like country rustic Christmas ornament. Let's go ahead and move on now. For this one, we're taking 2 of these little throw rugs from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna place them so that the side that I want to be the outside part of the pillow, they're both facing inside, touching each other. And then I'm going to just hot glue with a high temp glue gun around the outside edge on 3 of the sides, the 2 long sides and 1 of the short sides. Press that together really, really well. And once it's dry, you can reverse this and basically pull it back. So this will be, it's kind of inside out right now, and you can reverse it, pull the inside out, and that'll be your outside part. And this is very strong. I have seen Megan from Glue Guns and Roses make some pillows like this, and I was inspired by one that I actually saw online for Christmas as kind of a farmhouse decor, Christmas decor pillow. You can absolutely stuff your pillow with any old pillow, stuffed animals, some old blankets, any random stuffing that you might have lying around, which unfortunately I did have some before we moved, but after we moved I ended up having to just donate everything. I was not able to bring it. So what I actually have on hand are a bunch of plastic bags at the moment. So I'm just going to stuff this pillow with plastic bags. These were free, and I just keep them on hand. And if I want to remove them, I can always take them out in the future. But it makes a great outdoor pillow this way as well. So this is definitely an indoor or outdoor Christmas pillow. And then hot glue the seam, except don't do it like me. Fold in the edges so that it looks the same all the way around. I forgot to fold my edges in, and I just glued them together so that one side is kind of a little funky now. It should have been folded under. I'm taking this kind of round ribbon, this round red. They sell this in Dollar Tree in silver, red. I know they also have one that looks kind of like nautical rope, but it's soft and it's flexible, and I'm gonna hot glue it on here and basically spell out the word Merry for Christmas. So as in Merry Christmas, but you could definitely do like joy or Noel, peace, whatever you'd like to spell out on your pillow, and then do it in whatever color will fit with your decor. So I thought this would go well in my parents' home, actually, or with my Christmas decor. Both of us are going to be using some red in our decor this year, and I just thought this is like a really cute, fun pillow to make, all in all for a little over $3.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. Leave me a comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. I'm also going to pop on the screen here some other videos that you might be interested, including a compilation of 50 Christmas DIYs. So be sure to check that out if you're looking for some more Christmas inspiration. And as always, I am wishing you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye!